Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can scan the actor dove bird cards in Heartopia. So basically, you are going to host an event or wait for an event to be hosted by Bailey, and it's located here on the map. You can use your bird whistle and the bush so you can be camouflaged and get like 4-star pictures. You can only get 5-star pictures when it's raining. So there's the green suit dove, the red one. I think there's a gray and blue, green, gray, and red. There's also a striped suit one, which I haven't got yet because I've been trying to get the second phase. It's very hard to get, guys. So if you have any tips for me on how to get phase 2, that would be greatly appreciable. I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, that's how you can scan the actor doves for this week's event on Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!